Hey everybody, I could not go the holidays without giving you a gift card because I do that every year. And every year they're so easy, but it's just a matter of just decorating it and giving you guys the measurements. So I kept it pretty simple in the front, just added a little wax seal, which you guys know how easy it is to do that. And again, this is so easy. It just has this little pocket here, and you can actually, so I added this little back pocket because I thought it'd be cute for a note or something, but I mean, you could always write on it. So if you make this with a 12 by 12 paper, you can make 3 of them out of one sheet if you're not doing this little back pocket. If you are, it's just a little scrap that you can use. So it's just really just making it pretty, and it takes only a second, but really it's just embellishing it, and that's it. So what I'm going to do, so if you're making 3 of them, you can cut your paper into 3 4 by 11.5-inch papers. Obviously, I'm just doing 1 today, so I'm using 1 4 by 11.5 paper. And we're just going to score this up. And I put this like blue in the background because I noticed that just if you plan on ever YouTubing or anything, white is a very hard contrast color when you're filming, and it can really just knock, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm sure it makes, it's like it reflects light certain ways, so it can be a mess sometimes, and the sun is shining. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to take my paper and I'm gonna put at the 11.5-inch score, and I did find this on, it was all over Pinterest. There was a few of them like this. Okay, so here's my measurements, and I'm going to, this is gonna be my little lid part right here. So 2 inches, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, easy peasy. And that's, like I said, this is going to be my lid part right here. So I'm going to add that here. And then we've got our little pocket. So this is going to be our first line right here. We're just going to kind of go in and then go down, go in again, down, and then we're going up. And that's going to create these fun little ripples. So on Pinterest, some of them will just glue this together for that pocket, but I glued the bottom because I didn't like how it was popping out. So I'm just going to show you here. You should have that little, I'm just going to kind of show you the angle so you can see it. Why? I just used you. And okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna, and just make sure it's like kind of on the very edge, because you could make this wider. So I gave you that 4 by 11.5-inch, but if you have a different project in mind, you can make this wider and the same exact measurements. You can make it 5 inches, you can make it 6, and it will be like the same thing, you know, just whatever you're putting in it. I also thought this was great for like tea because I tested it. I have a little pouch here. Hold on, I'm going to add a clip here for a minute so I can just show you on the other one. So just so you can see it, like if you're using this for tea or stickers, whatever, you can definitely add it on here and it will fit. All right, so once you do that, it's going to give you that little pocket insert right there. And the cutout that I have today is standard gift card size, so you would just slip it in there. But I want to show you, so it kind of like, it leave that there, and I didn't really like that, so I did glue mine, but you can leave it. It's not really a big deal, but I'm going to seal mine because I don't know, it just bothered me. So I just fold all mine in, so it ends up just being like this. And I did distress mine, so I'm going to distress mine just a little bit today. And I'm going to do my top pocket. So if you're new here, all I do is I take like a little, sorry, it's got glue everywhere. I promise this isn't dirty, it's just glue. But I just do this to the edges to make it fancy. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of my ink, which I'm going to be using this today. Just to give it some oomph. And I like it especially on the top where you're opening it. But every year I think I do a gift card. I didn't do the 12 days of Christmas this year because I knew I just couldn't commit this year. Especially we'll probably be traveling soon. So I was trying to get something up. I was like, I don't want to go another 3 weeks without a video. That's crazy. So I'm going to try and think of something else before we have to go this week, later this week. Okay, so there's that. I mean, that's pretty much done besides the pocket. So basically, if you have a little 12 by 12, you can just do that. But if you want to step it up a notch and add the pocket, which is just a little scrap, it's going to be 3 3/4 by 2 1/4 inches. So the width is the 3, and then the height is the 2 1/4. And again, I'm just going to distress this to blend it in. I don't know why I put that away. I forgot I had to do this. And I'm so happy you guys are enjoying that little pen pal one. I thought it was really fun too, and it's so easy. I think the easiest tutorials are the most fun because you have time to like play with it, you know what I mean? And I just got my nail polish on there. But you see how it just adds a little layer. It just makes it a little bit fancier. And that's the idea, doing something really easy, but just kind of stepping it up, and then it just looks so nice, and no one really understands the effort you put in. They don't know if it's easy. They're just like, wow, that's amazing. And they don't even know it took you like 5 minutes to make. So there's that. And then of course I like to take this, like the only thing with this collection I didn't like is it did not come with a lot of pieces, which kind of, they have a lot of fussy cuts and things like that. So like, where is it? Where in the world is it? Oh, so like this is a sheet and it comes with all of these cute little things, but I am not a fussy cutter, and I've told you guys that numerous times, so I always have to cut these little pieces out. But anyway, these are the few dies it came with, and I'm just going to try and make it pretty. So I'm just going to try and like figure out what's going to look good with this. I loved how this looked, but I don't have another tree, and it's good to just switch it up anyway. I definitely want to use this flower in here. So one of them I used just flat double-sided tape, and one I used double just to make it pop. I don't know what I'm using here yet though, so let me just see how this is going to work. I definitely want the flower down, and I do want to make it pretty with some glitter, but I won't be able to close it. But I don't think we need to close it. We will, actually, because I'm going to be going like this, but it's okay. But I'd like to take my stickles and decorate it. Where is my frosted one? I got a million things hiding in my desk. Let's see. I like to... Oh no, that pile just fell. Oh, here it is. Somewhere it was. Sorry, half of my videos are me trying to find things because I think I'm prepared, and then when I start recording, I'm like, I am not prepared. And it's funny because everyone's like, I like how organized you are. I'm obviously not. You watch my videos, I'm definitely not organized. And just add that, and I'm going to add, I feel like a little angel would be pretty. So for this one, I'm just going to add a little foam tape, double-sided foam tape on here. And just like pop her on there. And add some of this. Sorry, sometimes I usually put it a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just scribbling, nothing fancy. But obviously that stepped it up a notch, right? And of course, if you want to step it up a little more, you can even add a little sequin or 2 or 3. I'm just going to add one on here somewhere. Because who doesn't... all you need is one sequin just to make the whole project be like, wow. Okay. I'm going to put that... No, I'm not putting it there. I'm going to put it over here. I don't like it there either. Trying to figure out where to put this little guy. I wonder where you guys would put it. I guess I'll leave it there. Yeah, that's a nice little spot. And then again, this is just the gift card, which slides in that little pocket we created. And then I'm just gonna put something right in the back. And you could decorate this so much more. You could make it more here. Like I said, you can make this so fancy, but I'm just kind of making it simple because that was the idea of this, is just to do a really quick one. And then I don't want to close it all the way, but you could just add a little, like I made these obviously a while ago. And they came with little stickers on them, but I'd have to put mine here and just kind of shut it like I did right here with this one. So that's it. It really, really easy. And like I said, you could add stickers, you could add washi, you could, doesn't have to be a gift card. You could add tea, just whatever kind of slides in there. And of course you can make it wider. So if you want to add, maybe this would be a great money like thing. If you want to add it maybe about 6 inches, you could add like bills in it. It would be perfect, or a check if you still have checks. I have not owned a checkbook forever. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this.